All right, Brian Howard here, BK's Credit Group and bkhcreditgroup.com. And what we're going to talk about in this video is we're actually going to talk about the personal guarantee. Now, obviously, when you're starting out to build business credit, you want to start out to try to build your business credit without using a PG, without using a personal guarantee. But there are times when a personal guarantee makes sense. Now that's on a case by case basis, that's on a business by business basis, that's on an individual by individual basis. But the reality is when you really get down to funding and lines of credit, the PG or your personal credit, I should say, whether you're PG in it or not, can't be ignored. Here's something to think about. There is a credit score out there actually called the FICO Small Business Credit Score. The FICO Small Business Credit Score. And basically what the FICO Small Business Credit Score is, it's a combination score, right, that FICO uses to quantify the risk of a business owner going late on a debt. So it's a combination of your personal credit and your business credit. So it's a combination score, right? And the highest FICO Small Business Score you can have is a 300. Now, in order to even pass the pre-qualifying screening for an SBA loan or an SBA line of credit, you have to have at least a 160 FICO Small Business Score. So the point that I'm trying to make is, in business, and when you're trying to grow your business financially and you're trying to build your business credit, while we can build business credit without a PG, while that is very possible, once you start really getting into lines of credits and loans, particularly at the conventional banks, and you're dealing with SBA products, etc., your personal credit score is going to come into play. Even if you're not personally guaranteeing it, your personal credit score is going to come into play. So they're going to use that blended score, that FICO Small Business Score, that combination of both your personal credit and your business credit. So don't ignore your personal credit, because at some point, if you grow your credit enough, or you grow your business enough, and your business requires capital, then more than likely you're going to find yourself needing to at least let them take a look at your personal credit, even if you're not PG in it. Now let's talk about the PG, not related necessarily to the FICO Small Business Score. If you have a solid FICO score, a strong personal credit score, you can actually get business credit cards right away that report to the business credit bureaus, and that will help both your personal score and help your FICO Small Business Score. So what is the general criteria? So generally, what they're looking for is, number one, someone with a 710 to 720 or higher credit score. Let's just say 720 or higher credit score. Someone that has at least a 10-year credit history. So you can't have a 3-year-old credit file. You need to have at least a 10-year credit history. You want to have less than 4 hard pull inquiries within the last 6 months. And you want to have at least one credit card with at least a $5,000 credit limit or higher. And you want to have your utilization below 40%. Now that's the general criteria, right? It's not all inclusive, but if you meet that criteria, then you're willing to do the personal guarantee, then you can usually get your hands on anywhere from 50 to 150,000 in business credit cards. And these are business credit cards that report only to the business credit agencies. These are business credit cards that come with anywhere from 0 interest from 6 months up to 18 months, in rare cases 24 months. So you can basically get a interest-free loan for your business that doesn't even show up on your personal credit, just by using your personal credit as a personal guarantee. So just wanted to run that by you guys. Just as a business owner, yes, we're trying to build business credit using our EIN number and not using our social. But please, please, please don't ignore your personal credit. Just as you're building your business credit, if you have less than perfect personal credit, then you really need to be working on your personal credit as well. Okay? All right. This is Brian Howard signing out from BK's Credit Group. Thank you.